Good morning. Another beautiful day in Venice Beach, California. Taking you to the right with me through nice residential area in Venice Beach. We're gonna go to Abocchini, discover a little bit area around this tourist area, because Abocchini is very touristy, but all of the streets, hidden streets in Venice, are really nice, clean and beautiful. You can literally see a little bit of history in each house architecture. Beautiful sunny day, beautiful flowers, bird of paradise. I love them. We planted a lot of bird of paradise in our house too. As you see, it's pretty empty. Palm trees, my favorite. Another palm trees, also my favorite. Nice houses over here. Very expensive. I guess a couple of $1 million at least. This one looks like apartment building. Beautiful. Sun is shining through trees. Amazing weather. It's kind of like 65 or close to 70 right now. I'm turning to Westminster Side Drive, and from here I will turn to Abocchini. And as you see, I've been here before. Check out my other shorts. Art Street, if you can call it Art Street. This one looks like art. I'm not sure. Okay guys, turning to Abocchini, and here we go. Famous brands, well-known or unknown, whichever you decide. My favorite here are palm trees all the way to the end of the street. It gives the street like such a vibe, tropical Californian vibe, which actually we are in California, so just gives a little local vibe. I love it here. Nice restaurants, Alo Yoga, locals.